quick teardown of a KCAN4 Ceramic Controller. This is from a G series, I think probably a G30. What the customer wanted was to swap the ceramic controller over to a KCAN4 MBT EVO F Chassis controller. So what we're going to do is a quick teardown. All you need is T8 Torx and a screwdriver, and you don't need these sort of pliers. These are well oversized, but this is all I had to hand, so we're going to use these pliers. So let's go. So then the first thing we need to do is we need to remove the backing panel. This is quite a let's say involved dismantling process, so we're going to take our time. First time I did this, it took far longer than I dare to admit. So then we get the backing shell off. There, and put that to the side. That exposes the back. So what we've done is we've removed 1, 2, 3, 4 T8 Torx. We've then removed 1, 2, 3, 4 more T8 Torx. This will enable complete strip down. Next thing that happens that we can do is we can pull the back off. This is a magnetic kind of like guide, which gives you the really nice feel of the controller. Very clever from BMW. Next stage, probably best to just remove this cap, which is kind of the secret to the whole dismantle process, because this cap is what enables us to remove the controller like magic. But don't do it yet. So what we're going to do is you want to get something in the gap here. Be really careful because you don't want to damage anything. Okay, so I would use some kind of trim tool. Let's try this. Okay, so then you can see that's been able to be opened without damage. It's just a push fit, and then it pulls off. Now be careful, there is I'll try and show you, there's a ribbon cable on the underside. And what we do, simply loosen that out, and then the ribbon will pull out. Okay, so that's the touch controller on top with the touch PCB. Put that to one side, and now we can in fact just remove this cap. This is what gives you the push functionality. Quite clever, very commonly used in electronics, this method. Then you can just pull. I've forgotten the screw, which is the magic screw, which our magic cap was hiding. So there's a screw right in there. You can just see it. I'm going to remove that. And then with the magic screw removed, we can remove the controller housing. This guide can be removed if you want to, just to give you an idea of all the parts. That's part of the controller as well. So now if you want to transplant the keys, we can simply undo this tab and undo the tab on the other side, and then remove the key housing. Really nicely engineered piece of equipment this, and then behind what you have is your PCB, and when you push a button it pushes this conductive pad. If you look on the other side of the pad, it's conductive. You can't see that in the light. There's a conductive pad. It shorts those contacts and the PCB reads the push of the button. A few light pipes here to provide lighting. This is the ribbon cable to the touch controller coming from the main PCB. You can remove the rest of this if you want, but really today there's just little point, so we're going to stop there. That gives you an idea of how to remove the ceramic knob from an iD6 controller.